Greetings. Today, I'll be discussing whether stem cells can help ease hip pain and potentially delay hip replacement surgery. Hip pain from arthritis or injury is a major cause of reduced mobility and loss of quality of life. Hip replacement surgery, total hip arthroplasty, reliably relieves severe pain, but many patients, especially younger or active ones, want to delay or avoid surgery if possible. This has led to interest in regenerative approaches like stem cell therapy. But can stem cells actually ease hip pain or postpone hip replacement? If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, also known as the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and the STEM Region/Age Reversal Technology Center, CARTC.health. He is a problem solver with a focus on helping people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He is using this avatar to save time making videos that can be better spent helping people. My role as his avatar is to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Please note that I'm an avatar of a doctor, and none of the information I convey should be considered medical advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. Doc Max also provides individual supervision, in person or virtual. Contact us at 9418-065-511 to learn more. Now let's get back to today's topic. Before that, I ask that you leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way to help get these health-related presentations out to more people. Most treatments use mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, ideally collected from umbilical cords that have been donated after full-term, healthy C-section deliveries. Other sources include bone marrow, adipose, fat tissue, or other donor sources. The treatment solution is injected into the hip joint and key attachment sites. These cells aim to reduce inflammation inside the joint, improve the joint environment that causes pain, promote repair of cartilage or soft tissues where possible, slow the progression of degenerative changes. The goal is symptom relief and functional improvement and, in many cases, slowing progression enough to delay or completely avoid joint replacement. Research into stem cell therapy for hip osteoarthritis and other hip problems shows promising but variable results. Many patients report reduced pain and improved function following injections. Improvements are often related to reduced inflammation and better joint biomechanics rather than complete cartilage regrowth. Some studies indicate short to mid-term benefits, months to a few years, in pain and mobility. Much depends on the provider's skill and the support provided. Complete regeneration of large areas of hip cartilage is uncommon with current treatments. Partial regeneration is highly likely. Long-term, high-quality clinical trials are still limited. Outcomes can differ by injection technique, cell source, disease severity, and patient health. In short, stem cell therapy may help with hip pain and function, but it is not a guaranteed way to fully regenerate cartilage or permanently avoid hip replacement for everyone. Stem cell therapy tends to be more effective for early to mid-stage osteoarthritis before bone-on-bone changes. Patients with moderate pain who want to delay surgery, younger or active people seeking alternatives to arthroplasty, those who have not responded well to conservative care, exercise, injections, medication, patients with severe end-stage hip arthritis, severe joint space loss or deformity are less likely to avoid replacement long-term and may still need arthroplasty. It is important to take action sooner rather than later, as is so common with most people. Patients in small studies commonly report less daily pain and night pain, improved walking distance and activity tolerance, reduced stiffness, delayed need for surgical replacement in some cases, better outcomes when combined with physical therapy and lifestyle changes. Limitations. Not a reliable cure for severe degenerative hip disease, although helpful. Variable outcomes. Different clinics use different cell types, doses, and protocols. Insurance coverage is limited, and out-of-pocket costs can be high. Long-term durability of benefit is not well established. Risks. When performed by trained clinicians, injections are generally very low risk, but possible complications include temporary pain or swelling after injection infection, very rare. No improvement in symptoms in up to 5 to 10% of cases. Theoretical risks related to cell processing or contamination minimized with good practice. Stem cell injections are often combined with platelet-rich plasma, PRP, to boost healing signals, physical therapy and targeted exercise programs, weight loss and activity modification to reduce joint load surgical procedures in some cases. For example, microfracture or arthroscopic debridement, where cells may assist in healing. This multimodal approach tends to produce better functional outcomes than injections alone. Ask your provider about the cell source, processing methods, and any published outcomes they have. Ensure the clinician follows sterile technique and evidence-based protocols. Expect a recovery plan that includes rehab and gradual activity escalation. Discuss realistic goals. Pain reduction and improved function are common. Full cartilage restoration is unlikely for advanced disease. Stem cell therapy can be a useful option for reducing hip pain and improving function, especially in earlier stages of joint disease, and in those with severe hip degeneration, it may help delay hip replacement. However, it is not a guaranteed alternative to arthroplasty for those with severe end-stage hip arthritis. Decisions should be individualized based on imaging, symptoms, age, activity goals, and a frank discussion of benefits, costs, and uncertainties with a qualified specialist. That's exactly why we created the coaching program at Age Reversal Technology Center. If you're ready to stop guessing and actually get the results you've been reading about, call or text us right now at 941-806-55111. Your first 10-minute phone consult is completely free, no pressure, no sales pitch. We'll just tell you straight. Age Reversal Technology Center, 941-806-55111, 6968 Professional Parkway, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Nationwide telehealth available. One phone call can change the next 10 years of your life. Make it today.